Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are making cornbread. This one is moist, lightly sweetened with perfectly crisp edges. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of new uploads. Now let's get started. So I'm going to get started by first mixing together all of my dry ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, cornmeal, I have a little bit of salt, baking powder, and baking soda. So I'm just going to give these ingredients a nice whisk to combine them, and then I'm going to move on and mix together all of my wet ingredients. And for the wet ingredients, I'm adding buttermilk, 2 eggs, sugar. I'm also going to add a little bit of melted butter along with a tiny bit of vegetable oil and honey, because why? A little honey ain't never hurt nobody. Well, I don't think so anyway. All right, so now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry, and we're going to mix these together well, removing any large lumps. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. I'm going to add butter to my skillet, but you could use vegetable oil. Then I'm going to pop this in the oven for 5 minutes before finally adding my batter. You should hear that batter sizzle, indicating that the pan is nice and hot. We bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden. Then I cool it slightly before adding a little extra butter on top. You know I can't pass up an opportunity to add a little extra butter. Now that the cornbread is all nice and buttered up, all that's left to do is to slice it and to serve it. All right, everyone, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me for another recipe. I'll see you later.